Hi, I'm DMac with VerifyiQ. VerifyiQ is the premier practice management solution for the modern accounting firm using QuickBooks Online or Xero. Welcome to our setup series. Here we will be discussing your frequently asked questions.
In today's video, we will be discussing the color coding that has been added to the review status, in addition to the new review status type. Previously, there were 3 review statuses: initiated by bookkeeper, submitted to reviewer, and file review completed. We have a new review status called file sent back. In addition to the new color coding, which can be found here on the main clients page. Green means that the file review has been completed. Orange means that the review is in progress, which could be either initiated by bookkeeper or submitted to reviewer. Red means the file is sent back to the bookkeeper by the reviewer for additional work. And gray means that no review has ever been completed for this client. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, please let me know.